At the Brindley Group, we understand the uncertainty that you may feel at the moment. As we reopen our business, whether your vehicle requires servicing, MOT, repair work, urgent breakdown assistance, or you may be due for a change, we will continue to be here for you every step of the way. This is why we are taking every step to ensure your safety. With cleaning stations and protective perspex screens installed at each of our dealerships, we are here with you on the journey back to normality. From the moment your vehicle arrives in our care, we take every precaution to prevent contamination. Through the use of protective gloves and masks, seat and floor coverings, our advisors and technicians continue to provide exceptional service with minimal risk. Throughout each dealership, in new car sales, used car sales, service and parts, you and our employees are kept protected and respected. The Brindley Group, keeping you safe every step of the way.